Welcome again, students. Today I am going to discuss with you the necessary question answers of the chapter My Childhood. As I have already told you, my childhood is the life story of APJ Kalam. Kalam has told us in this chapter about his parents and about himself, and now we are going to discuss the question answers of the same. At first I have given you a few question answers so that you yourself should find out the answers, check yourself how much you know about the chapter. So here are these questions. In what way was Kalam's childhood secure? How can we say, how can Kalam say that his childhood was secure one? Means there was not any problem in his childhood. It was secure because he was able to get the security of food, clothes, medicine, education. There was not any problem in having all these necessary things. Now, what is emotional security according to Kalam? Security, food, shelter, and education. That is right. But what do you mean? What's the meaning of emotional security? Emotional security means Kalam has his parents, his relatives, his friends to look after him, to share his problems with. So there is not any problem as far as emotional security is concerned. Now, what kind of person was Kalam's father? Kalam's father was a very disciplined and honest man. He wanted to insert values in his children. How was Kalam's mother ideal sport to her husband? Kalam's mother was equally good. She was very generous. She was sportive, helpful. But whenever some guests come to her home, she used to feed them all. How did Abdul Kalam earn his first wages? Abdul Kalam earned his first wages by selling newspapers. So, how hardworking this scientist was. What did Kalam's family do during the annual Shri Sita Rama Kalyanam ceremony? Sita Rama Kalyanam ceremony, Rameshwaram, all of you know, is a place which is religiously also famous, and there they celebrate the Ram Navami and all these sort of festivals. And this family, though they were Muslims, still they used to make beautiful boats for this ceremony. So describe the three friends of Kalam. Name three friends of Kalam. Do you know the names of three friends? You have to find out all these questions which I have given you here. You just find out so that the chapter should be clear to you. These are the questions. You will yourself find out the answers from the chapter. Now we are going to do the rest of the questions. Suppose the question is, once you decide to change the system, such problems have to be confronted. Explain. Means अगर आप सिस्टम को चेंज करना चाहेंगे तो ऐसी प्रॉब्लम्स तो आएंगी ही. तो whose words were these? So let us see who said so. The science teacher Shiva Subramania Iyer said these words. He was talking to Abdul Kalam. He invited Abdul Kalam for dinner, but Kalam was hesitant. So, observing his hesitation, he told him not to get upset and spoke these words. When one day Kalam went to at the invitation of his science teacher at his home, at first his wife was not at all ready to serve a Muslim boy, but next time when he went, she served him in his kitchen. So his science teacher was teaching him, advising him, telling him that if you want to change the world, you have to change yourself, and such type of problems will naturally come to your in your way. So next question is, who provided Kalam with material and emotional security? Already in small questions I have discussed with you. Who provided him the money and emotional? Kalam's parents provided him with material and emotional security. It gave him a relaxed environment and at home and arrange all the necessities of life for him. His parents, his friends, his teachers, they all were supportive. So emotionally as well as material, we can say materially, money wise, he was secure. So there was not any problem to him. So the next question is, what does Kalam mean by material security? Already I have discussed with you. Material security means money wise he has not any problem. What does Mr. Kalam tell us about his family in the chapter My Childhood? So what he told us about the family members. So let us see. Kalam's parents Jainullah Abdin and Ashyama. They were tall and good looking. Though they did not have abundant resources, both of them were very generous and fed a lot of outsiders along with their own family members, practicing the values of honesty and discipline. They led a very simple life which did not have any place for inessential comforts and luxuries. His father was truly gentleman. He was a disciplined man. Similarly, his mother was very generous. So this is all about, he has told us about his parents, and this is all for today. Tomorrow we shall do the rest of the questions.